gone too far. Step back.
Set it good. We don't want damage it.
Watch out, but nearly good.
Wait, man. On the just after wait, man. Alright.
Right. Wrong.
Good day and welcome back, my beautiful peeps. You don't know your outside today. From the HQ is in. Yeah, man. So we're on the whole farm out. Today is a family day, guys. So you don't know, Lee and them are forward, the rest of the crew them are forward. And we have a whole heap of things out today, guys. We are going to roast some fish, we are going to roast pork, we are going to roast chicken, we are going to roast everything, everything I get roasted. So look where I go on. See that? Big up to Mum. See it? Mum sends some seeds again. Miss Anne-Marie, big up herself. Yes, man. That is it, peeps. Big up to Mr. Garden Clark, you know, for the road park rum. Yeah, man. Mr. Garden Clark, the owner. Yeah, man. Run by our state, guys. And you don't know, see pork there. We have season for pork. You don't know. Yeah, we have some season out, the season over there. So we have pepper, we have lime. For bun on the pork, we have Wordy Park, and we have boom. We have chocolate milk, we have orange juice, we have water. Drink responsibly, guys. And we have fish right here. You see me? We are going to get the fish them seasoned up now. Everything seasoned up. Outside now, you know? Yeah.
Outside for the next banger.
So
Yes.
huh? Why is that? Some of our roast first. Some of our roast first though. You think can roast one time? Eh? Can cut up? Yeah, I'm gonna have to go and scale them. Oh yeah, I see him to go then. But yo.
I don't start when we wake up.
Oh, where me there? Oh, what's that?
I left him up there last night.
Oh, boss! Yes, peeps. So I can add a little, you know. We don't know we not get the money yet, so we can't get no free promotion. You see, peeps. Yeah, man. So big up to Mum all the time. Big up to all of the viewers and subscribers them all the time. You see? Yeah, man. So that now, guys. So I make that go and marinate, and we are gonna put some seasoning at the belly of the fish them over here. So you see me? I just heap up some seasoning one and just season the fish them belly. Peeps. So what I know, what a style. This season a little mix, you know. It's a hard spice, you know. You know, Jamaican season is a. Them a season flying last night. It's in peeps, so I drop them on the fish and test them and see what I go on. So a dry roast the fish them, guys. So leave the scale. So when you eat it, you peel back the skin and it all like come out. I couldn't say if no bread I want to come from.
See now, Jerry was the rum too.
Gyros rum?
Yeah.
And I ram around here talking about gyros rum. It's super money, me buy the box meat never drink with somebody ready pack.
Yeah.
Yo, yesterday, day before yesterday, we do some of this, black man. Around here, What about someone?
You need to put better fish there so that we're talking about.
Huh? No, so we not finished. We not finished. Remember, say all day around here. A man just bung out the middle of them fish. And me just bung out the middle of them and wash up them things,
So now you have to do all right. Yeah.
If me do all right, me not think, no, remember, say me have a video, Me have a video.
Yeah, go video. Me to the cameraman.
Eh?
No, we go find him, man.
Light. Light up a fire,
No,
yeah.
I go for the segregate 2 pepper. Lime and pepper.
Lime there, pepper there.
So we bring.
Come on, come on. I'll load the man.
Video.
Yes, watch out. And the fish are still moving up, peeps. Right now we're frightened. We just go fully frightened. So everything seized up right there, guys. So I get the fire light and drop them on the grill. You see me? So the guys then reach on the place. So then bring some more alcohol, some seasons, and more rum and thing, So everybody know the water, peeps. Yeah, man. So I gone. Yes, guys. That is it, They don't know we outside like all the time. We have to go clean up some more fish, guys. Because the guys can carry some more fish, some chicken, and some more things. So we'll get them to clean up, and we have some more folks coming in. So come here. Yes, peeps. Leon, I'm going to plan for one thing them. Eh?
Yeah, I'm not.
Tapping nice?
No, it's wise.
Pop something.
Pass some thick. Get some bram. Get some bram. Come on, pass some bram in the back here. I see you, Where you say go on? Where you have to say to the people?
Now watch more because I catch fire.
Leon, the man say I work as the boss. I say go.
A good thing, me ain't talk just quiet. You have to delete that.
Yes, peeps. So the fire blaze up there now. Guys, so come on, them fab the water there. So they will make a bubble bath down here, Alright, peeps. So to make you all know, this river just goes straight to the sea. So nobody now use the water. You see me? So there's no farm that pump water from this. It's going right down straight to the sea. Because the sea just right down so. Huh? You want a fab? Give him a fab there. Seen, peeps? To be advised. Yeah, man. So I go on. Don't show them where I waste. You have to wait till we go in the water. Don't throw the bag them by the place now. Throw the bag them back in this bag here. Don't nasty the place. Yes, man. Pieces. So I go on. Fabi place. Sod. Throw it right so. Throw it right in the stream now. Solid. Solid. I wash out the river, peeps. I wash out the germs out the river. Yes, peeps. So. So I'm going to be a coach. You tell me about the BS.
Not the river.
I hope me tell you, I shall bust and put them and skin up. And don't use me knife in the fire. Cut a video.
Yeah, brother.
Man.
You see, peeps, a bush. You hear vibes? A bush. Officer, you say Viet cut off a bush, yeah? I am looking at the video them.
I am a big guy, them big, you know.
Watch out.
What's the baby?
What's the baby man? She wash off for this.
Hold on,
If I'm not clear,
Woo!
Watch out.
Peeps party. Wah, ada piece of pork there juicy pa. Turn back on the side. The side one juice one come on. Looking good peeps. Watch out. Watch out man. Juice and fishing. Watch out pa. Juice and fishing bro. They're almost ready now. Flick them over. Take him out and put him in here so. Yeah. So we have a sunfish here, so we just came and chop this morning guys. So we put everything here so ready. So we have some more fish over here so guys. Some bigger fish. Watch out, see that? Look at this. Look at this peeps. Yes guys, so more wanna come with the basin. Bigger fish, you know? Yes, quality food, you see me? You want fish to buy guys? This are the man. You see me? Look what the people know, yeah, most like sitting there for a day. Yeah man, peeps. So yeah, so I go on. So we are put some seeds together and we'll get them a season. Fly them out guys. You see me I say? So I get them fish a season. You don't know scammer there, bush there, Glen there, black man that. You have Paul there so. Rami is free. Mr. Free. Sorry Mr. Free. Sorry Mr. Free. So we have Poochie, we have Papa San, we have Leon, we have Soji there so guys, we have Little Baby and we have John and Lessa. And we have a guest, a special guest over there. You see me? Tell me what season this for? Put the salt in it. Salt?
She's normally good man.
So you must say salt. So, yo, you drink too much, you drink too much in the boss. In the salt man, it's alright man. Man say it's alright.
This one some pepper.
Pepper? Yeah, we have pepper this man. You want pork?
Pork already.
You want pork, mate? You ready? Alright. Bush me that have clarified paper now, isn't it? Alright peeps, so you know we have to turn to the bush card. The bush today now we have to go look some leaf like that to serve the thing them on the zine. We also have some fish come up under this. Yeah man, so we are going to get them seasoned up and thing to go up on the grill. Watch your body there. Guys, peeps, we continue after I remember the guys them say we have video enough. You know? He bad word. We never make him attack things when they normally attack, you know? Yeah. Yes, please, watch out.
Yo,
So I go on?
I don't know about it. You want to sell?
Peeps.
I'm going man, go.
So I go on? I gyro some fish. Come on, this already, you know? You want peeps, so show the peeps them Leon I see the fish. Leon, take fish them over here.
I'm a brawling man, you know?
Leon, them fish are season and belly. They're not season and belly in the boss. Hold it, put for us. Put season. Please, watch out. Look what Leon do fish them. Look what Leon do fish them. No
But you
season
can't
and
put
fish.
enough season night and baby they eat it, you know. And I like you animal,
Do
you
the
know.
big one special feed baby. Yo, do the big one special feed baby na ba yacht? I'm not put na thump it out in a yacht.
That is a great biology, yo.
Brawling.
Go closer to the big one. Just show that belly. Show your belly, Payachi.
Next one.
Hey peeps,
Next one.
watch it. You go on? Look on the size.
And length.
And length.
Nice size.
One box like you get up.
You'll be able to sell down here, you know.
Don't push it on that fire. Wait. Please, yeah man, some stick I push on that fire.
Adventure shoving wood underneath the fire, guys.
Yeah, should be, see that? Should be down the fire. Should be wood on the fire. Should be down the fire, peeps.
You'll be able to sell.
After we go ahead, that's what you know. I dog stink.
You'll be able to... Yo. Be able to sell.
I go and chat about your fish.
Bad word, man.
Bad word.
Yeah, we need that part of it later.
No, man, push
Yeah, we don't want... We don't eat no knife shit and the man want to give man push right.
One night.
You understand, guys?
Yeah, one night, Leon. Somebody, Leon, give me a video, see better amount of cut me off and put up bad word. Better. Boy, can cook bad word. Where's the bad word fan?
Clean up the one there.
Yeah.
Clean it up, man.
Watch, watch that.
A PL that jump off. PL.
Jump off.
Jump off in this one now.
Papa son, what that you lean down for?
The bad one.
Camera on the back.
It's Papa John.
In mad.
A predator.
Yo, bad one, the bad one. What?
Similar we all have gas here. I like it. Alright.
Do it.
I wonder what you do. What you do, what. I said, yeah, ever since then I come back fast enough, you have to call on everything now.
We never need for sponsors.
Yeah, cause every time we do video, we have them liquor. Come, turn on the fire, Steve. If fire want turn down, Steve. Look there, Steve. If fire want turn down.
Water.
No, not throwing the water by the fire. Turn on the fire.
Over there, you know. Then I building up.
Wait.
They outside.
Put away no man.
That's the camera like it, man. Watch out, you can't see that turn.
Just reach for the HQ, you know.
Oh,
Yo, fix the camera, you know.
oh God, see the camera.
See that more than what to go off a step there.
Is it getting deeper? Hello? Is it getting deeper?
See, bad chef, ya peeps. Bad chef, you know.
I black tourist.
See there?
Yeah. Boy, I black tourist.
I keep that.
One sucker son in a building. What you have to say for people?
It's kind of wet up. I don't know it.
Moti, what you have to say?
This is very good.
It is very good.
We're back in the river, yeah?
Yeah.
Very good. Back in the river, waterman back in the river. Waterman back in the river.
You want to go and full some over? You want to take them over?
The outside, you know.
I'm never going to pull it.
Yeah, man, the outside. My river. They are going to block up the river and I make the HQ nice. And I roast some fish. So you got there so asleep. Well comfortable.
No, hey man, no. Tell people how fish taste. Yeah. So do it, yeah. Yeah. What is it? Alright, peeps, you hear that? The skimmer says if you don't want to taste how the fish taste, well, come taste it yourself. You know, right there.
Yeah, guys, see how come I fish them, man.
Yeah.
Mad sitting.
Hot.
Well hot and taste good. Just a squeeze little
Cool
lime.
out my finger.
Just a squeeze little lime on it to get little flavor, you know.
Some of the lime here, I think. No, no. Wait a minute, so come. Peel up the skin.
Come on, make me show them out. Pretty big.
Don't have to go now, water.
Camera now pick up.
Problem. So we are.
Yeah, guys, see that? Look how flesh pretty and nice.
Yeah.
Well hot.
Hot. Hot.
That is it.
Dip your finger in the water, Pete. Dip your finger in the water. You have a use of it. Huh? In the belly. No, I don't mean sees them. Alien sees them. You don't put a sees their belly. Yeah, all of them is in it, in the belly. In the belly part.
Yeah, man. Modest life, man. Then river.
Fish, a whole heap of protein.
I enjoy the meal. Hot.
Vitamin C, vitamin B, everyone like vitamin them. There. We are very fish. So good. Oh. Lime. It's lime. Ah. See that jump in the water. How gone? This man peeps. That is it. That is it, you know. It's all gone.
Glenn, your son.
Look at that. That is it. That is the life, peeps. That is it. That is it. Eat off the skin. That's a gyros sufficient gyros na peeps. Yeah man. All courtesy of Poochie guys. Poochie big up yourself. Boom. Remember big up yourself to the max, you see me? Grandfather Michael, big up yourself. America, big up yourself, America. UK, big up yourself. India, the nation, big up on yourself, love on it to the max. Jamaica, you don't know how one love, peace, you see me? We always out here, the man them stop killing for yourself, bro. You see me? Life out here to live. And that we are doing, I know we are live. You see what I go on, watch her? I'm all of my friend them out here. Watch her, Papa Sunday. All of my friend them out here. Yeah man. Them ladies and them babies. So I go on. I'm a scammer there. A scammer clean up a pork.
You start with the pork.
Yeah man. So
Jamaica vibes. Big up yourself.
Yes,
Boom
man.
family. Big up yourself.
Yeah man. You hear that peeps? Jamaica vibes. Big up yourself, big bro. You see me? Boom family, big up yourself. And I can't forget my big brother Jerry. Jamaica Shore Fishing guys. Remember, go over to the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the post notification. Don't know you outside, the pa here coming at the video, you know? Where's the pa?
And remember, no views. You don't want no views,
I
right?
can't see Jerry link up.
Yeah, Jerry man himself link up because we have the HQ, you know?
In a link up.
You know, link up and stand back come. So you need to link up Jerry. They are them some gyros fish, tasty fish, I'll tell you what I'm going to don't eat the skin, you know. What's the eat the skin? What are you going to do?
Tastes like chicken.
Taste like chicken?
Yeah. Roast turkey. Make sure say you have ladies when I eating something.
One pooch. Pooch. Go on. How fish taste? Like fish. One up. One half full rat in there, right?
On the road.
Straight down to the bone.
Outside.
Hold on, make a thumbnail. No.
Yes, peeps. So watch out. Any sip on the who?
Rock.
Pa, what you drink? Pepsi on the rock?
Pepsi pan special.
It's a soji. You have a glass and squeeze it, my ear.
Head not that big.
My brush up against man, so move the youth. Come here, so you have finger here. Alright, that is it. That is it, peeps, you know? Yeah. I grow your trip, man. Yeah. The peeps, so. Take it, man. Anybody.
Hey, line.
Eh, no, them fish. Look at them fish. Peeps, a beer fly about the place. Boy, I'm going away. Look in this up.
He's the panning.
Yeah, man, in that belly. A gyros and gyros.
I know, pay boy na link me.
You know, in a bus boy.
Eh?
One thing, you know, I know. You see where these guys are.
Yeah.
Go link me phone na muna.
Yeah, we can, man.
Kami na no money. Show your massage girl them breast and taste it. What? Finger licking good.
Finger looking good than KFC.
I swear I can't afford it. Go ahead.
Yo. What goes by? Oh, bullshit. Yo, man, I have to get a big store now.
Next time, walk up here.
Yeah, some pork on the grill. Come close, eh?
No, me see.
Yeah, see, zoom up.
How far from that turnover behind? Fair room, son? One room turnover behind. Me back one, man.
What's the first? Yeah, peeps. Watch out. Yo, watch out. Guys, cool out when you guys are playing chance. I'm going to have clippings here, okay? Alright, peeps. You see what I want? You see what I want? But be nice and background, peeps. But we have the chicken then, so we make them roast first, then we'll do them after, you see me? So what are going to do? Wash off the cover here. Oh, the cover they need wash off. Alright, put the cover on the chicken then, so you fly them. You know where fly them come from the piece, but them come. So we are cover that, and we are going and roast them there. You see me? The pork them too ready. Guys, what a black man want to drink in this system, I give him. See that? The pork them so ready. Everything's so ready. Guys. Yes, man. Slowly. Alright. Move around. That is it. That is it, I think. Stop it. Right down.
No, not turn on it.
Yes.
First, look where you feel you have to turn on to, you know. I first, look where you turn on.
Don't go somewhere, dude.
No, and after I go, sit down. We ask if they play for a long time. No, we ask if they play for a long time. And after I go.
Catch him. He run. Catch him. Soji.
You have to turn around for it. You have to turn around for it. Turn around for it. Go on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
George, come back. Step back.
Why a beaver because
No. Why? Go to the end of so.
Pa!
Oh shit.
Pa!
Oh, step back, I can't do fast. Step back. Yeah.
Set it good. We don't want damage here.
Watch out, he's back near the ground.
Wait, man. On the guest outside the field. Wait, man.
Right. Wrong.
Just relax. Right.
Come now. Give it a piece of thick there.
Oh, that nice. In night come, yes, sir.
Yeah, man, everybody come on.
No, you want it? You want it? Yeah. Kiss him. I'm shake up. Kiss him.
Yeah, watch the bad one.
Oh, yeah, man. What about baby? Take time.
Take that one, you can't do it. Yo, put on your helmet.
Step back. Yes. All right. No, run. Never do fireman. Yeah. Oh. No. Fireman.
Oh, shit.
Center.
Sorry.
And then.
Lettuce.
No kuah. El africano.
Again, nobody depend on chicken again. No. Nobody depend on chicken again.